Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome sis. You will love it here. On my channel we talk about beauty, fashion, luxury, home decor, all of the above. So if those are things that you are into, I would love it if you did hit the subscribe button. Also click the notification bell so you never miss when I upload. Today I am bringing you guys a luxury unboxing. I recently purchased two luxury items that I wanted to share with you guys because I am so excited about them. And yes, so I have that. If those are the kind of videos that you like and those are the things that you are into, definitely stay tuned. So the first item I wanted to share with you guys is from Saint Laurent. This is actually my first Saint Laurent purchase, so I didn't go too crazy. I wanted to try the brand out, feel it out, see the quality. I did a ton of research on YouTube, hence why I like making videos like this, is because I actually utilize YouTube in making this purchase. So yes, so I didn't want to go crazy. This is a first purchase from the brand. I wanted to test it out, test out the quality and whatnot. So I'm actually going on my honeymoon next week, and I wanted like an evening bag that I could just throw on with certain looks, very effortless, very chill, but still able to dress up an outfit a little bit. So I decided to purchase this item from Saint Laurent because I don't have anything like it in my wardrobe, and also I think it'll do what I needed to do on this vacation. So let's unbox this baby. The packaging is very, very, very sexy. 10 out of 10, love it. Very sleek, very minimalistic, and that is what I'm learning about the brand, and I like it. Straight out the box, you get this very, very nice dust bag for your item. I don't know if everything comes with a dust bag, but I'm sure most things come with a dust bag. I love it. I love it. I travel with dust bags for my shoes, for my purses. So anytime you are getting all the bells and whistles, it just makes the luxury experience that much more exciting. Ta-da! This is her. This is she. And this, it is the wristlet from Saint Laurent. I will plug the exact name down below because I'm not sure at this very moment, but people refer to it as the wristlet on YouTube. So I got it in this vintage white, or this Blanco white color with the gold hardware. It has the chevron detailing, very neat and clean stitches, very durable feeling leather. I'm super excited about this piece. I just feel like it is going to definitely luxe up some of the outfits that I'm taking on my vacation. So you get a good amount of space in here. And let's remove some of this stuff here. Inside the little pockets, you have all the authenticity cards and whatnot. It smells like leather. So I don't know if you guys can see, but you get a decent amount of space. I can definitely fit my iPhone. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Fits in perfectly with plenty room for more. This is going to be the kind of evening clutch or evening bag that you can fit your phone, lip gloss, maybe a travel size perfume, and a little bit of a little compact with you to check your face. You can slip a mask in, and you can also slip a card holder. If you guys are interested in seeing what fits in this bag, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to do that video for you guys. But oh my gosh, I love the quality just by looking at it, feeling it. So one of the main Reasons why I decided to opt for this wristlet is because I saw the little hack or the little trick or whatever where you could attach a chain to this and turn this into a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, whatever. To me, that was a game changer. Saint Laurent sells a wallet on chain that looks that essentially is this with a chain, and they are charging like $1,500 plus for that wallet on chain, when this goes for about $725, I want to say, and you can literally purchase your own chain and have the same, if not very similar experience. So to me, that was a no-brainer. I actually did purchase a chain from Amazon. I feel like the chain just takes it to the next level. Definitely gives it that luxury vibe. This is a nice heavy chain from Amazon. So I do like this chain, but it kind of twists on itself a little too much for me. So I may, like I said, look for other chain options, but I do really like this chain with this bag. And this is the current setup I will be taking on vacation. I love it. If you are thinking about it, definitely do it. I will be trying more from Saint Laurent, so stay tuned for that. I already have 2 bags that I'm eyeing, that I am thinking about purchasing in the near future for everyday use. So okay, so the next item that I wanted to share with you guys, oh my goodness, when I saw these for the first time, I was like, yo, I am really feeling those. And they're kind of different for me and my style, but I am revamping my wardrobe, revamping my style as of lately. I've thrown out a ton of stuff, and I've been purchasing a lot of new stuff. So when I first saw these floating around on the internet, I was like, yo, these are so hot, so beautiful. I love them. And then I searched for them and sold out everywhere. So occasionally I would just stalk the Prada website here and there. I was not like on the hunt for these. I would just occasionally just be like, oh, let me check out the Prada website, see what's new, see what's there. And one day they were there. So I hurried up and snagged them, grabbed them, and I actually shipped them to the Prada store because I was not sure about the sizing. I was not sure if they were going to work out. So I shipped them to the Prada store, and I went over there to try them on, and I love them, so I brought them home. And yes, they come in a beautiful blue box, gorgeous. And this is my first purchase from Prada as well. So I'm making a lot of first purchases from these luxury brands lately. I am like a luxury newbie getting into it, but I am addicted and hooked naturally. So yes, but let's unbox these beautiful babies. The item that I am talking about are the Prada Loafers, the chocolate loafers, in all of their glory. They are so beautiful. I love them. So obsessed with them, so obsessed. I haven't even worn them yet, haven't taken the tags off of them yet, but I think they are so sharp, so beautiful looking, so clean. I got the regular ones, not the ones with the chunky sole, just because I feel like those are a little bit more trendier. Nothing against those who like that, but for me to spend the amount that I spent on these, I want to be able to wear them for like many years to come. So I got more of the classic style in the loafer. I watched a lot of reviews. I did my research about these. there was a few mixed reviews on comfort and all of that. So, you know, I was like, that's why I shipped them to the store. And I'm like, I gotta try them in the store. I gotta see for myself. So I wore socks to the store purposely because I plan on wanting to be able to wear them with socks. With the socks, I was getting a lot of tightness in this area here where the logo is. And so I think the socks were like a little bit too thick. I went up a size and a half in these. I wear an 8 and I got an 8.5 because I wanted to be able to wear them with socks, but they're just a little bit tight here. I have a wider foot, so with the socks that I had on that day, which were chunkier socks, they were just a little bit uncomfortable here. So I have to definitely get thinner socks if I want to be able to wear them with socks. But without the socks, they were feeling great, feeling fine. Another just minor issue that I have is they may be a tad bit big in the back because my heels slide just a little bit when I walk. But the person at the store said that that is a common issue, and he used to work for, I think, Stuart Weitzman in the shoe department. He was saying that some heel tape or like a heel guard that you can purchase from Amazon would easily solve that problem. So I am so excited about these. That does conclude today's luxury unboxing. If you did like this video, go ahead and click the like button, share it, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And comment down below, let me know what is on your luxury Christmas wish list this year. I would love to know, and I would love to share my wish list as well. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.